Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to talk about one important feature of vidIQ. Like through vidIQ, I have learned a lot. I have made a lot of mistakes while recording videos. I have made a lot of mistakes while maybe publishing videos. Here is a great way where you can focus on the mistakes that you have done, and you can get to know the mistakes, say improvement, area of improvement. So if you are using laptop, or maybe I would suggest you to use laptop. And so you, what you can do is you can just open any of your videos, because it's worthless if you are finding areas of improvement in another, like anyone else video. So just focus on yours so that you can get to know where you can work, right? So I have just opened this video, and from here you can see it like AI coach. You can see it. So from here you just need to click on analyze the hook. That is the hook line, whatever will be there, we'll get to know. Also the areas of improvement, whatever will be there, we can also get to know. So you can read this, the hook in the first 30 seconds of the video, how to cancel this and has good elements and area of improvements. You can focus like good elements, that's truly great, but we need to focus on areas of for improvement. Being a creator, because it's always great if we are learning something, we used to learn from whatever mistakes we are making. Okay, so we'll try to just to better ourselves. So I'm also doing the same. I have made mistakes, a lot of mistakes that I have made in all of my videos. I'm still making mistakes, but I used to analyze those mistakes and I try to work on those mistakes. Maybe when I'll make another video or next video, so I can come up with better, say better version of whatever mistakes I've done in last video. So I used to just improve whatever mistakes we are making, or say I am making. So you can see good. The creator introduced themselves quickly, which is good for establishing connection with the audience. The topic of canceling subscriptions on LinkedIn and WPS is clear and relevant to the title of the video. The mention of limited options for free accounts and the benefits of premium can pique the viewer's interest. Okay. Now, areas of for improvement. The hook could be more engaging by starting with a compelling question statement to grab the viewer's attention right away. Okay, just like the questions, hey guys, have you taken subscription of WPS, and have you ever get or refund, like have you ever got your money back even if you don't want that subscription? So some kind of some questions like this I could have think of, and I could like ask from my audience to engage with my audience. So first thing, I really like the way they used to tell us areas of improvement. And then we can also read another thing, adding a sense of urgency or a promise of valuable information early or can help retain viewers interest. Including a preview of the benefits or solutions that will be discussed in the video can entice viewers to keep watching. Okay, overall the hook provides relevant information but could be improved by making it more engaging and compelling to encourage viewers to continue watching the video. Okay, so one thing is, okay, so this is like AI coach. If you are maybe if you are using vidIQ version of premium, boost, any premium version or pro version or boost version, then you can focus on then you can get this provision. Okay, so you can also check with your version, and yeah, you can get to learn a lot of things. Whatever mistakes you are making, you can get to know. Also they used to provide you vidIQ. So I know it's too poor, but still I'm improving, because I struggle to find a lot of things. So yeah, I'm still trying to focus on the areas of improvement where I am lacking, and I'll try to make it like there would be one day when I'll do my best in these area of improvement where I am not at all doing well. So yeah, I'm just trying my best to deliver the right content to the right audience, and with the quality content. It's not like wasting your time or something like this. I will be just focusing on the quality content, and the things that we should know, or say the like daily basis challenges that we focus or face that we face. Okay, so yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.